Everyone, this is Wray coming to you with a quick video. And I just want to first apologize for the lighting. I am out of town and I'm in a hotel and the lighting is really bad. So please excuse the lighting, but I wanted to go ahead and record this video to give you my results with this opportunity that's bringing in anywhere between $50 to $100 a day. So if you're looking for a work at home opportunity, something that you can do online from home, I'm going to give you that information today. You will need to have a laptop or a desktop or a smartphone. If you have any of these three things with Wi-Fi connection, you can actually tap into this system that I'm going to go over with you. But not only that, I'm going to share with you proof that it works. Because you may not know me, or maybe you do, I want to just give you a little bit of information about myself. I am Wray. I've been online since 2015, and I started producing a full-time income within the online space in 2016. I was just tired of working a job where I wasn't getting paid enough, where I wasn't able to do the things that I wanted to do because I was living paycheck to paycheck. But not only that, I wanted to have time freedom to be able to do the things that I love and enjoy to do. So in 2015, I ventured out into the online space and it has changed my life completely. And what I like to do is teach people about opportunities online that actually works. But not only that, I do a lot of mentorship so people know exactly what to do and how to start producing an income from home. This is not a get rich quick overnight opportunity. This will take some effort, but it will work if you are consistent. The results that I'm going to share with you may not be your results. You can actually earn more or less depending on your efforts and how much you apply the training. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and get that out the way. I'm going to share with you the information of how this works, but not only that, the proof that it works. So you're going to want to stay till the end of this video. Okay, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel to go ahead and follow my online journey. So what I actually do is I send out ads for free to people who are interested in working from home. Okay, this is a digital product that you will receive when you decide to join. Okay, and it's going to educate you on how the online industry works, what you need in order to start producing an income. But not only that, it's going to teach you the things that you need to do consistently so that you can generate the results that you're looking for. And right now, what you're looking at is a capture page. So when you decide to join my team, you're going to be able to get 3 options of 3 different capture pages that you can choose from. Okay, this is a capture page that I love the best. This is one that I use the most. This is the one that converts the best. So all people are going to do is put their email address in here and hit this button. When they do that, we will be capturing their email and then taking them to a sales page. Now, this sales page is going to actually do all of the selling and telling for you. So you do not have to reach out to friends, family. You do not have to bother people. You do not even have to worry about traffic, because once you tap into the system, it's going to show you exactly how to get the traffic that you need in order to start generating an income ongoing. But not only that, it's going to tell people what the program is all about. If you want to take another look at this system and this website, it's in the description below. So the description right below you, and there's a link. It's going to take you right into this sales page. So this is a sales page that actually gives you information on how the product works, but also gives you information about what you're going to receive when you decide to purchase this product. Okay, so there's a get started button here, and then it just tells you basically what you need and what you don't need. So you don't need to have any experience. You don't have to worry about selling or trying to pitch people and trying to convince them on how your opportunity works. You don't have to feel like you're being rejected by people. You don't have to worry about people saying no to you, because again, this system and the ads that the system provides is going to do all of the work for you. Okay, and there's no complicated systems. When you tap into this opportunity, you will have your website within 24 to 48 hours. But not only that, you will be able to start using the system the moment that you tap into this opportunity. Okay, so you're going to get the complete training that you need. They create everything for you along with myself for all of my team. I make sure that your website is completely set up, but not only that, your funnel is ready to go so that you don't have to worry about building out any funnels. You don't have to worry about any building out any websites. You're all set to start actually producing an income and seeing the results that you're looking for. Okay, and then yes, the payments go directly to you. So there's no middleman. 100% payouts for each person that comes into this opportunity. You don't have to worry about nobody touching your money. It doesn't have to go through any third parties as far as another company that's actually holding it. You get paid instantly from the moment somebody joins this opportunity. And this is for people who are in the US and for those who are not. So even if you're in Canada, you're in the UK, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Africa, it does not matter where you're located, you can actually tap into this opportunity. So is this for you? If you're looking for a straightforward, simple way to generate income within the next 24 hours, you can do so. And it basically is going to go into how the system works. So before we get into how the system works, I want to share with you proof that the system works. And I think that this is important because a lot of people say that they get results online, but they don't show any results, right? And the proof is in the pudding, okay? This is my merchant account that actually allows me to bring up all of the payments that I receive. And these payments come in every single day while I sleep, while I eat. I don't have to worry about bothering people. When I wake up to payments. So here is a payment that came in on the 16th. Right here, you see one that came in for $50. Okay, that's the lowest somebody can start at when they actually get involved with this opportunity. Okay, so here we have 16 hours ago, one payment that came in for $50. If we go back here, there's another payment that came in for $50, and this was just 2 days ago. We have another payment for the 16th that came in, and this one right here is also for $50, and this was just 1 day ago. If I type in and put in $300, I have one that came in here on the 16th for $300, and then if I type in 150, this is also payments that I have received using this system. So on the 13th, I had one that came in just 4 days ago for 150. On August 11th, I have one that came in for 150. And as you can see, the results are extremely consistent. Now, when you come into this opportunity, you're going to want to have a third-party payment processor, and that can be Cash App. That can be Zelle, that can be Venmo, that can be PayPal. You can use authorized.net. You can use Stripe. And if you have any problems setting up any of these third-party payment processors, I can help you with that. If you already have one, you're going to use exactly what you have. You don't have to go out and get something brand new. You can use exactly what you have so that you can start producing an income, okay? So what you're gonna do when you get started, you're gonna pick the level that you wanna come in. And this is based off of your income goals, what you wanna make, right? So if you're looking to make an extra $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, you're going to come in where you fit in, what you are, what you can afford, and how much you want to make, because that's important, right? So as an example, if I want to make $2,000 a month or $1,000 a month, I don't want to come in and just pay $50 because now I can only collect $50 payments, right? So it's all important about where you come in, how much you spend, because that's going to determine ultimately how much you make. Those two go hand in hand. Okay, so then after that, you're going to get the ads, all right? And based off of what level you come in at determines how many ads you're going to receive. So we've done all the hard work for you. You'll be provided with high converting ads and step-by-step training videos on how to promote the ads. Not only that, I'm going to give you my exclusive way that I actually send out these ads and the people that I target with these ads. And again, these are free ads. These are not through paid Facebook ads. These are not through paid YouTube ads, not paid Instagram ads. We're talking about free ads that you're going to be using on free social media sites, okay? And then every time one of the ads is generating a sale, you will get 100% payouts for that sale. So you can click here to get started. And again, it's right in the description below. I have some testimonials about people that I have worked with over the last year that have produced results using the different systems and the trainings that I offer to people, okay? So When you come to this website, again, it's going to give you the information. You can hit this get started button. You can watch the short video, and then this button is going to bring you to the different levels. Okay, so you're going to receive a website that looks like this. If you want a customized website, we can discuss that as well. But this website is going to have a picture of you, your name, your information, so that you can have your own personalized website that allows people to connect with you. But not only that, they will know that you are a real person. People don't want to get into something where it's a scam or they can't reach out to the person that they join. Okay, so you don't want to be hiding. You want people to know that you're a real person, that you can really help them, and that they're not just getting into some fly-by-night opportunity, or they're dealing with an opportunity that's not going to be around, or that's scam. Okay, so again, you're going to get started, you're going to get your ads, you're going to get paid. And what we have is 3 levels: the $50 starter level, the elite level, which is $150, and then the $300 level, which is the pro level. And these are all one-time payments. Okay, you can come in at the pro level. If you come in and you pay one time $300, you get everything that's below it. If you come in at the elite level, you pay a one-time fee of $150, and you get this level and also the starter level. You're going to have to pay a $25 admin fee. This is to have your website created. Okay, you'll get this website back within 24 to 48 hours from the time you purchase your website and send over the details that they need in order to start creating your website. Okay, so here is going to just give you the different ads, image ads that you're going to receive when you make your purchase. You're going to see what they look like. But not only that, if you reach out to me, I'll show you how to edit these ads and make them personalized to you. Okay, that's what I love to do, so that people know, again, they can reach out to me. I'm a real person. They know that they're not just joining any and everyone. Okay, you will get 100 pre-written ads at the elite level. You'll get 200 pre-written ads at the pro level. And then for the $50 level, you get 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus image ads. Not only that, it gives you all of the different things that you will receive at each level. And then your payment button link will be down below for people to be able to click this button and make the purchase. Okay, so again, they can pay you however you want to get paid through any third-party payment processor that you decide to use. Okay, so what is your income earning potential? You can watch this by clicking on the description below. It'll give you your earning income potential based off of what level you join at and what to expect. Now, these are not guaranteed. They are for visual purposes only. So it's giving you an idea of what you can earn based off of how much work you can put into this opportunity. Now, you will need at least an hour to 2 hours per day, 4 to 5 days a week. And if you are not really tech savvy, you may need a little bit more or a little bit less. If you're somebody that knows the computer, you understand how to work the computer, you understand how to navigate certain systems or social media sites, this will be easy for you. If you need a little bit of work, you might need a one-on-one training with myself or someone else, or you might need somebody to help you get everything set up. Either way, someone is going to help you to make sure that you get everything that you need when you get started. You have to just reach out. That's it. Reach out to the person that sponsored you, reach out and ask for help so that we can get you up and running as quickly as possible and you can start producing results. So they also give you these different tables that show you how much you can make based off of each sale. And again, based off of the level that you decide to come in at. They also have a Facebook group, a proof group, which has all of the different proof that people are getting that are using the system. And they also have a coaching group for you to get training, live trainings. And not only that, the replays of the trainings that we have in that group on a consistent basis. Okay. They have other 6-figure earners and 5-figure earners that come in and do trainings. And then we also have the owner herself that comes in and does trainings consistently when it comes to, you know, how to use the system, how to run traffic, how to post the ads, where to go, what to focus on, what not to focus on, and just giving you all of the nooks and crannies that you need so that you understand how the system works and how to use it. Okay. So again, if you're interested in this program, you're interested in getting more information, you can click the description below. It'll take you to a link to get started. You can feel free to reach out to me if you need more information or if you have a question. I am a real person and I'm here to help you to have success online. Someone inspired me years ago to start my online journey. And I'm looking to do the same for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day and stay blessed.
Okay.